little inverted flight here. Now David's got flaps on this airplane, even though the full-size one didn't have them, but it sure helps him in the landing.
Keep them taxi in long grass, even without holding up elevators. This is work with a large scale and forward positioning around.
Thank you, David Anderson.
Well, it's December the 5th. We're back in near Canby, Oregon, with Lucasfilms Limited to finish up the Indiana Jones Chronicles 3 movie.
2-hour movie for TV.
An awful cold day here in Oregon.
34 degrees.
Normal temperatures. We got an albatross from Eddie Newman, Fort Worth, Texas. Procter Enterprises. He's first up today.
Joe Topper's 1.5 strutter.
The DR-1 built by Mike Brewer, Astoria. I'll be flying this old jewel sometime today. We got Eddie Newman trying to start up his albatross here, and Mike Brewer holding. There we go. Good. Well, they're patiently waiting out in the field. Ben Burt, our director, and his good friend Greg. They're all ready for the first take of the day. They're running. Joe says he's ready with a 1.5 strutter. This is Indy's personal airplane.
Notice how nice the weather is? This is a Monday morning.
There's Mike Bromley trying to get the second smoke generator going.
Chris Bromley.
We got one going already.
He's our producer.
He's off.
First flight of the day.
There's Joe.
Imagine a line from that red barn to you, Joe.
Okay, we're gonna get ready for the second flight here. Smoke going here. Return of the Hawkmen. Joe Topper and Jerry Turntime. Okay, this is the second dead stick in a row for Joe Topper. We're running out of gas, so we only got about 8 to 9 minutes capacity, so he's down.
Okay.
Oh, we got Eddie Newman from Fort Worth, Texas. What do you think of this warm weather here, Eddie?
It could be warmer.
We're getting ready to go up with the Albatross to do a little dog fighting with the 1.5 strutter. Eddie Newman is off. Let's go, Joe?
We had 7 airplanes. 1.5 stutter, Fokker triplane,
Dive on him, dive!
3 Newport 17s, and 2 Albatross P5As. And that wasn't January 9, this is December 94.
Good, good. Smoke. There's smoke on the strutter. He's going down. The eddy's coming in. He's down. Dead stick landing for Joe. Third dead stick landing in 3 flights.
The wood grain on this fuselage done by Paul Edgerly.
Okay, shooting down again.
Stay close like that. It's beautiful. Want some smoke? No, I'm gonna attack it.
They said that was perfect. We heard it from the director himself. Joe's first power on landing.
Look at that sunshine.
Eddie's going to come in the other direction. There's no wind, so there's no problem.
.35mm Lee Utterback cameras.
Brian out there working hard.
Brian Howard from Louisiana.
It was running. Around, going around again.
Super Tiger 3000, that one.
Boy, that landing gear.
Eddie is down again.
Hang on, Indy. Hang on.
1/4 size young Indiana Jones there.
Hang on, Indy. Indy.
Joe's trying to shake him loose.
He's hanging on.
Boy, is he beat.
Good man, Indy.
Now he's hanging on landing gear.
Hang on, Indy. Hang on, Indy.
Break out the Excedrin.
He did it. Got a skinned forehead, though.
Hang on, Indy.
Focus that camera.
Hang on, Indy.
We had brand new Super Tigers in the 1.5 stutter
Oh, good one.
and the Funko DR1. And the only one that got broke in was this 1.5 stutter. I'm supposed to shoot down Joe here with the DR1. Darned if I didn't do it. Got his engine. Look at that weather.